How effective was the Fairey Ultra Light helicopter? Well, it never really saw widespread service in the British Army. While it showed promise, the project faced several hurdles. High production costs and the emergence of more conventional and cost-effective helicopter designs like the Saunders-Roe Skeeter ultimately led to the cancellation of the ultralight's military development. The project, however, served as a valuable stepping stone, demonstrating the potential of unconventional propulsion methods in rotorcraft design and influencing future helicopter development. What's your favourite early British helicopter? If you have reached this point, comment Fairey Ultra in the comments.